So the best action is usually mixture of the narrow action and wide action. I'm
Okay.
doing a few slow pulls and then
Yes.
few
All
short
right.
jerks, and then
All right.
the lure is going like wide, wide, and short, short, short with some kind of flash.
Yes, like a
with
ratting
sides.
movement.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then you have to stop it. Then again,
Yes.
2 or 3
Yes.
long pulls and so on. And the
Yes.
most of strikes are in the moment when the lure stops and
Okay.
move like this and slow sinks.
Okay. Anyway, it was the best lure today.
Yeah.
And I saw it's very versatile because we are using this lure in shallow water and even in deeper water.
Yes.
And now we are getting some pikes in the middle of the channel where the water is like 2 meters
Yeah.
deep, right?
Yeah.
And before we got some pikes on, let's say like 50 centimeters
Yes, or less.
or
even.
less
Yeah.
water. And it's very versatile. And it's a glider. The
It's a
people
glider.
should know that's a glider, it's not a stick bait.
Absolutely. That's
First time when I saw this, I said, oh, that's a stick bait topwater lure
Yeah.
from Salmo. But
okay,
it
you,
isn't.
you can say this is a sinking stick bait.
Yeah, it's yeah, maybe, why not?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
name it. More one.
Accident?
Nice, gold pike. Yeah.
Tell me, which is the difference between this and the glider and the slider, Salmo slider?
And the main difference is that the action is wider. That slider goes like
goes, yes,
20
yes,
centimeters maximum size. And but in case of sweeper,
yes,
especially the big one,
okay,
this is the biggest, 17 centimeters.
Yeah,
Yours is 14.
14, yeah,
And we have 10 and 12. So we have 4 different sizes.
yes,
And if you know how to do it, you can make an action which is wide of 60, 70 centimeters wide,
okay,
side and side. So that's how you can cover more space.
Yes.
You can attract the pike from longer distance
all right.
sometimes.
Last question: when you use this and when you use the
Slider?
glider, the slider?
Difficult question. In fact, this is my as I told you before.
Yeah.
During last few trips, I caught most of my big pikes with this
Yes.
lure. So I'm using mainly sweeper last times,
Yeah.
but sometimes when you have to keep the lure, for example, you have the reeds,
Yes.
which are
Yeah,
like this,
very
one
tight,
from another.
yes.
Then you have to keep the lure just between the
All right.
reeds.
All right. So when
So
you
the
don't have
slider is
enough
better.
room, when you
Yes.
don't have enough room, you better use a glider,
Yeah.
a slider.
Yeah. If you have some narrow channels between the reeds,
Yes.
you have to keep the,
Okay.
the lure just between the reeds.
If there is an open space,
I prefer
you prefer
yes, sweeper, but
the sweeper.
you know the slider works everywhere. It's
Yeah,
also
yeah,
very good lure.
yeah.
But this is my some kind of
That's new for
idea.
2000.
No, it's already enough in our offer 4 years.
4 years
already.
ago. Yeah.
But
Uh,
last 2 years we introduced small ones, like for example, this is the smaller one, and I hope I hope we can have a chance to catch even an asp with this lure,
Yeah.
because we caught zander, perch, and one guy told me that he caught a few asp, but we have to check it
Okay.
here. For sure it works. It looks like small beak.
should work, yeah.
Yeah, it's
It's
amazing.
exactly the same size I'm talking about the asps prey.
Yeah,
It's like
that's my
same
idea.
thing. Yeah.
But we should try.
We should try.
Yeah,
Yes. Yes. Okay. Let's see some other pikes.
Yeah, I'm ready for the
Okay.
mama. Small, very small.
Kindergarten.
Yeah. Bait fish.
Yeah.
Come on. I will bring you your grandmother.
Uite.
Huh?
That's not a big
Bit
one.
bigger. Nice.
Nu, nu, nu. Pusese mie. Uite.
Okay.
Asta o să... Fuck. Da.
Stai așa. Asta nu trebuie să-l pierd.
No more plier.
You lost the pliers?
Yeah.
Oh.
You see? Bye.
Shit. S-a adus.
My plier is gone.
You need floating version. And of course we got some pikes with slider, of course, and
Which is now a common lure here.
you know me.
Everybody knows
I'm
that.
using mostly big lures,
Yes.
so probably also because of that we didn't catch a lot of, we didn't catch numbers, okay, but we got some reasonable size, like 2-3 kilos, a lot of them. With these new colors, I'm very happy because these colors works on the water, and these are new colors for the next season.
So let me ask you something. I understand you didn't test in some other waters these
no.
colors.
First
So
pikes we caught
here in Delta.
Delta. Yeah.
Oh, okay, I got
Caught
it.
on these colors.
That's a very important story.
Yeah.
already.
Of course, we've been using floating versions. You can,
Yes.
as usual, as on all the lures, all the Salmo lures, without the lip. when we can place the letter F floating or S sinking.
Sinking, yes.
We have a special kind of stickers on the tail.
Yes.
You can read it very easily. It's floating version F.
Yes.
Yeah.
The point is here in Delta, actually in Romania, the biggest size that is popular here is that.
Yeah. This
But
is number 10.
We got here a lot of pikes with a bigger size, and some of them, I actually wasn't big pike, was like small pike,
Yeah.
and they still chasing this size.
Of course.
So if anglers are in a spot where they think there is no big pike, they should use the large size, because anyway they're gonna get even the small pike, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But like this, they have the
Absolutely.
chance to get the biggest.
I think this size. This is number 10.
Yes.
We have also number 7, 6,
Yes.
and 5.
Yes.
By the way, but this is, I think,
The most versatile.
most versatile, because you can catch
Big,
given
small, whatever.
given size of pike. I cannot count the number of pikes over 1 meter caught with the slider 10. And also you can catch, like yesterday, I caught with this given slider, I caught pike maybe, I don't know, 30
little bit
centimeters.
bigger than
Yeah,
the lure. Yeah.
very small. So this is, in my opinion, catching pike is not about, for me, it's not about numbers. I'm looking for big ones, which
Yeah.
means
I'm
not,
doing the same thing.
hurting small fish.
Yes.
What for? Yeah,
Yeah.
it's better to find
To try to find out
Yes.
the best pike in the
absolutely
area.
in the area.
Almost same size.
Yes. 2.5 kilos.
Yeah, yeah. Oops. Okay. Here is another story. That's it.
Again, same size, similar.
Yeah, maybe smaller than
Smaller than.
the other one.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Nice pike. Very healthy. You see these spots?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Brown, green,
Yes.
like the bottom here.
Nice. Yeah. You went back to sweeper, huh?
Yeah, because it's, you know, color is very good for dark light conditions.
Yeah.
This hot perch is really good, even if it's almost dark,
Yeah.
just before the sunset. Great. And now I'm using Salmo perch crankbait.
Crankbait?
Yeah, it dives a little bit deeper on this curve.
Yeah.
It was like probably more than 2 meters. So.
Scusa.
Perch 14. I thought about bigger one, but
Yeah.
it's also good size,
Yes.
average. Great. And it will be next one. Very angry.
Bad girl.
Small slider.
Small slider.
Look. And it works.
Small slider. Maybe they want small sliders. Ah, look at this. Shit. Don't do this. Did you see?
Yeah.
Almost broke my rod. Okay. Did you see that?
Beautiful.
Look at this.
Uh-huh.
But this is not from me.
Yeah. Somebody caught this pike
Yes.
before.
Yeah, with the same
With
walkie.
wacky. It's not the best lure for casting, but it works. Like
Yeah.
you can see. Very pikey. Come on. Whoa! Wants to bite me. Call grandmother.
Yeah, show me this. Show me. That's the walkie. That's the walkie. You see, the lip is round and very effective.